Ahmed brother,
No.
let me tell you one thing.
Mm-hmm.
In the past days, we discussed one rule about mud letters. You remember? Alif mad, waw mad, ya mad means if there is fatha before alif, this will be alif mad. If there is dhamma before waw, sakin, this will be waw mad. And if there is kasra before ya sakin, it will be ya mad.
Yes.
You remember that?
Yes.
Now, on the basis of that rule, now learn one more rule. What is this sign? This is
It's
mud
to
sign.
stretch.
Yeah, this is
Mad,
mud
yeah.
sign.
Like tree or leaf.
Okay, yeah. So the surah name is Surah Al-Qiyamah, and we have just started. And in the first ayah, and also on the first word, lam, the sign is
Mad son.
mud sign. Yeah. And why this sign is written, and what to do on this sign, how to read, and how much we can stretch. Now,
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
yeah, listen to me. Just for one rule, if there is any letter, if there is hamza after mud letters in the same word, make sure in the same word, if there is hamza in the same word after any mud letter, there will be mad muttasil. What the name is?
Mad mustasil.
The name is mad muttasil. And if there is hamza in the next word after mud letters, I mean the last letter of the first word is any one of mud letter, and the upcoming word the first letter is hamza,
Yeah.
so there will be mad munfasil.
Mad munfasil.
There will be mad munfasil. And what is the difference between mad muttasil and mad munfasil? The difference is in the Asian mushaf, all the Asian masahif have other signs. I mean, for mad muttasil, there are other signs, and mad munfasil, other sign. But as you can see in the Medina mushaf, and I have seen other editions published from Arab countries, the
Mm-hmm.
signs are just same. Now look at the screen and see this one. This is the sign different, and this is the sign, this one is the different. This is bold and this one is not. So in Asian masahif, you can recognize which sign belongs to mad munfasil and which sign you should say mad muttasil. But in Arab masahif, all the mushaf belongs to UAE and Saudi Arabia, most of them, you have to recognize yourself on yourself, because there is no sign bold and jo hai,
Okay. So you have to know.
all the signs, all the signs just same.
They're the same. Yeah, they're the same.
Mad munfasil and mad muttasil.
Okay.
So now, see, this is yamad because ya sakin and kasra before ya. And in the upcoming word, the first letter is hamza.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so that's why it will be called mad munfasil, because hamza is separate. I mean,
Yes.
hamza in the other word and mad letter in the other word, in the end of the first word, and
separate.
hamza in the beginning of the upcoming word. So this will be called mad
Munfasil.
munfasil. Yeah. And muttasil, this is the mad muttasil.
Yeah,
Because
because here it's bold.
yeah, alif. No, you don't say it's bold, because in your mushaf, the mushaf you are reciting in, there is no bold sign.
Okay.
So you have to remember the rule. There is alif mad, because alif fatha before alif, so it will be alif mad, and hamza is coming just after alif mad in the same word.
Yes.
So this will be mad muttasil.
Mat muttasil.
Got it?
Yes, I think I got it.
Now let me know what you have understood, and what is the rule.
So, like if we see the mad letter before the and it's followed by the hamza, then it's mad muttasil. And in the one we learned, the Surah Al-Qiyamah, the first one is on the same letter followed by the mad letter.
Mhm.
Then that's mad munfasil.
Yeah.
Yes.
So this is the mad muttasil, means this is when the hamza comes after the mad letter in one word.
In one word, yes.
So
Hamza comes
this
after
type
mad letter.
of mad is held for 4 or 5 haraka. I mean for 4 or 5 count. 3 to 5 count, you can say 3 to 5 count.
Of alif, yeah.
Yeah, of alif. And munfasil, this is when the mad letter is at the end of the word and the hamza is the first letter of the next word. This mad is also 4 or 5 haraka, and in the common language, and the people says that mad munfasil is 2 to 3 haraka or 2 to 3 count, and mad muttasil is 3 to 5 count.
Okay.
And some of shuyukh, I mean some of the reciter and some of the aima of tajweed, they say this is just same, I mean 4 or 5,
Same length. Okay.
muttasil and munfasil. The stretching will be same.
The
But to
stretching
make
is
a
the same. Okay.
but to make a difference, you can stretch the mad munfasil less than mad muttasil.
Okay.
Okay?
Yes.
And now let me tell you one more rule here. This is called mad lazim, I mean obligatory mad.
Oh, mad. Okay, mad.
Yeah, the obligatory mad lazim. This
Which
is
one?
this is
Oh, yeah.
when the original sukun comes. This is when the original sukun comes after the mad letter in one word. Original sukun comes after mad letters in one word. The word must be held for 6 haraka count. It may be 4, 5, and 6, but not less than.
Okay.
And now let me explain what is original sukun and what does it mean. Like you read dabbatin, dabbatin, dabba. Okay.
Dabatin.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Let me show you the example here. Can we see any one of them? إنما طائرهم ألا إنما طائرهم, and any other here. The batin and mad lazim. Many examples of munfasil, mad munfasil and muttasil you can see here.
Yeah.
Okay, let me show you one surah. Surah Al-Haqqa. This is the close surah. Here. Yeah, this is the see here. Al-Haqqatu. Al-Haqqatu.
Al-Haqqatu.
Alif and fatha before alif, so this is alif mad. Okay?
Al-Haqqatu.
Yeah. Listen to me carefully. Before alif there is fatha. So it is alif mad. And just after alif mad there is original sukun. But you can say there is shadda, there is no sukun. But do you know, in shadda letter, the shadda letter, we have to read 2 times the shadda letter. First,
yes, 2 times.
we join it to the before letter.
Previous, yeah.
The previous letter, with the previous letter we connect it, and then we read it on the letter. We read just this letter, there is shadda on it. I mean, we read it 2 times. First time with the previous letter,
Yes.
and 1 time this is the very letter. So, and what does it mean? Because the shadda letter, the letter has shadda on it. This is first time sakin. That's why we have to connect it with previous letter.
Okay.
Okay, we are reading al-haq, al-haq. So this is sakin, like this is sakin first time. Then we are saying qatu, qatu, qa.
Al-Haqqatu. Yes.
Yeah. Okay, you can feel that al-haqqatu. So
yes.
first time this is sakin, and second time this is mutaharrik. This one has haraka. So that's why this is called original sukun. And in that case, we do mad lazim. I mean obligatory mad, because you can see here there is no there is no hamza after mad letter.
Yes.
But even then, we can see there mad sign.
Yes, the mad sign is there.
So that's why this is called mad lazim, because of sukun. So these are mad rules. And inshallah, I'll send you by the WhatsApp the summary of these rules with the examples. Okay. So you can write down from there.
Okay. Yes.
In the class, I have to just make you understand that this is the mad munfasil and mad muttasil. Okay, let's jump to the al-qiyamah now. So now, alhamdulillah, you need not to see the bold mad and the letter.
Yeah, the light one.
There is written just the sign. So, and alhamdulillah, you will feel the difference between mad muttasil and munfasil just via your rule you have learned.
Okay.
Like la is a different word, and uqsimu, this is the different word. So there is alif mad and hamza in the next word. So there will be what, muttasil or munfasil?
Munfasil.
Oh, mashallah. So you are the master now. Okay, let's do it now. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim.
Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim.
La uqsimu bi yawmil qiyamah.
La uqsimu bi yawmil qiyamah.
Qiyamah, qaf, make it heavy. Qiyamah.
Qiyamah.
ولا أقسم بالنفس اللوامة.
ولا أقسم بالنفس اللوامة.
لوامة.
لوامة.
Yeah. أقسم, there will be qalqala. Qalqala, the 5 letters. Qutubu Jaddin, the collection is
كتب جديد.
Qutubu
Yeah.
Jaddin. So Qaf, Ta, Ba, Jim, Dal will be qalqala in these 5 letters. I mean the sound will be turned like a tennis ball. Uqsimu.
أقسم.
Yeah.
Mhm.
بالنفس اللوامة.
بالنفس اللوامة.
أيحسب الإنسان أن لن نجمع عظامه.
أيحسب أيحسب الإنسان أن لن
الإنسان
أيحسب الإنسان أن لن نجمع عظامه.
نجمع عظامه.
نجمع عظامه.
بلى قادرين على أن نسوي بنانه.
بلى قادرين على قادرين بلى قادرين الله.
Make it light, the ra will be light. قادرين.
بلى قادرين الله.
Don't stretch it much more. Don't stretch it a lot. بلى, just one alif. بلى قادرين على.
بلى قادرين على أن نسوي بنانه.
بل يريد الإنسان ليفجر أمامه.
بل يريد الإنسان ليفجر أمامه.
Once more. يريد الإنسان.
يريد الإنسان
ليفجر أمامه.
ليفجر أمامه.
يسأل أيان يوم القيامة.
يسأل أيان يوم القيامة.
فإذا برق البصر.
فإذا برق البصر.
وخسف القمر.
وخسف القمر.
وجمع الشمس والقمر.
وجمع الشمس والقمر.
يقول الإنسان يومئذ أين المفر.
يقول الإنسان يومئذ أين المفر.
كلا لا وزر.
كلا لا وزر.
إلى